All right, hi, this is Aleksey. I'm with Edge Home Finance. We're making a video today because we are looking to hire more experienced loan officers at our company. I'm joined here with my dad, Brent. I think he's been in the industry longer than I've been alive, so he's going to share a little bit about his history and his experience with the company. So if you want to get started, kind of what your experience has been in the industry and where you've come from.
Okay. Yeah, sure. So I've been in the industry almost short of 30 years, between 25 and 30 years. Started out with household finance, selling first, second, third mortgages. In order to get business, we had to cold call. So I did 100 dials a day to start. So that was my start in the industry. I was there about a year and then went right out into the broker world after that. And I've been in the broker correspondent world for the remainder of that time. So it's been a good industry. It's just the broker world's where it's at.
And what drew you to Edge, or kind of what wasn't working at the company you were at before?
So what really drew me to Edge was the culture of the people first. They felt like a family. That's what I liked about them, and super transparent. That's what I wanted. Somebody with a good relationship, was transparent. And the thing I really liked them, besides the relationship, the transparency, was that they're not a company that was hungry for money, and they're passing it on to make sure our customers get the best rates with some of the lowest fees. So that was the option I wanted, for my customers, where we could be the most competitive in the industry.
And since you joined, how do you feel that your business has benefited from being with Edge?
Well, I've been with Edge 2.5 years now, and I can say within about 6 months after joining Edge, having those competitive rates and way more options for products, my business has doubled to tripled since that time frame.
And have your referral partners responded since you were able to offer more options?
Well, the referral partners, that's grown as well. And two things on that is, one, we're one of the most competitive in rates and fees out in the industry. And then two, we have, I feel, much more control over, since we have over 40 or 50 investors, that we can choose which investor we want to go to. And we're closing in 8 to 12 days. So speed is money, and the realtors love that.
Awesome. And then I know we have a lot of really unique programs that are catered to about every type of home buyer, but especially investors. So what kind of programs have you utilized that have been helpful for your investor clients?
I'd say in the past 3 months, Lexi, the best programs I can see for investors or anybody wanting to get into that investment market. One is the first lien HELOC. You can go up to 2 million bucks on that, 80%, well, 90% loan to value. It allows you, it's 10 years, just like a regular HELOC, and it allows you even not to have to make a payment if you don't want to. It can roll into the lien. The second product I'd say is actually HELOCs, because we've had, lowest mortgage rates in history for a while. So not many are wanting to touch their 2, 3, 4% rates. So we can do HELOCs up to 97.5%. Third program would be is we have a commercial loan where if you have an investor who has more than the allowed finance properties for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, we can condense those all into one loan, which then gives that investor a chance to go out and get 20 more properties, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac financing.
Awesome. And then, yeah, as far as the company culture, who do you feel is a good fit for our company and who would thrive here?
I think, again, it's going to go back to, it's my opinion, I guess, but one would be, if you want that family feeling and transparency in a company, we're looking for that same person in a potential, prospect recruit of a loan officer. Somebody who's going to be a good communicator, who's going to hustle. That's probably the top three things that I would see that we would want in, a potential prospect.
Okay, yeah, I'd agree. So, yeah, we definitely have more to share than we can fit in a video, a few minutes. If any of you have more questions or would like to learn more about the company, we're definitely an open book and we're happy to help. Feel free to reach out to me and have a good day.